I don't know where to start from, but one thing just I want to share with you is that always try to smile whenever tough situation comes in your life. I know that life is very much tough for you and every situation can't bring happiness for you. But remember that you have to live here and everything will come in your life that is against your choice. Choice is not present here in our life because no one knows that what will happen tomorrow and what will happen next day. So we have to just prepare ourselves for these situations which always comes in our life, and whenever we are observing such situations and our observation always makes an experience for us that how to deal these situations. So whenever you are getting experience, wisdom automatically comes in your life, and that wisdom can save you from these situations which are not controllable for you. But one thing you can do in your life is that only can get suggestion from your friends or those who are very much wise and intellectual, and they know that how to deal any situation that is not seen ever before you.